Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Home Decor Collection. Guys, how are you today? I hope you are all fine. Guys, today I am also fine, and today I am going to share another video with you. This video is related to wooden door. Guys, please watch this video till the end to see very beautiful and stylish wooden doors designs idea. Wooden door is one of the oldest and most popular types of door used in homes, office and buildings. It is made from different kind of wood like teak, oak, pine or even engineer wood. People have been using wooden door for centuries because they are strong, natural and beautiful. Even today, in the modern world of steel and glass, wooden doors are still loved from their charm and warmth. One of the main advantages of wooden doors is their durability, good quality. Wood can last for many years if it is maintained properly. Unlike plastic or metal doors, wood has a natural strength that can resist everyday use. Wooden doors can also be repaired easily if a part gets scratched or damaged. It can be polished, repainted or replaced without changing the whole door. This makes wooden doors long-lasting and reliable. Another special feature of wooden doors is their beauty. Wood has a natural texture, color and grain pattern that makes every door unique. It gives a warm and welcoming feeling to any space. Many people choose wooden doors because they make home look elegant and classy. They can also be designed in many styles, from simple plain doors to beautifully curved and decorative ones. This makes wooden door suitable for traditional as well as modern interior. Wooden doors are also very good for insulation. They help to keep the house cool in summer and warm in winter by reducing the transfer of heat. They also reduce outside noise, giving peace and privacy inside the home. This is one reason why bedrooms and main interiors often have wooden doors. In terms of safety, wooden doors are also strong. A solid wooden door at the interiors of a house gives protection against theft and weather. Some doors are made thicker and stronger with special locks to provide extra security. However, wooden doors also need care. Since wood is a natural material, it can be affected by water and weather conditions. If not protected, it may swell in the rainy season or crack in extreme heat. To avoid this problem, wooden doors are often polished, varnished or painted. This layer protects them and makes them look more attractive. There are many types of wooden doors available today. Some are solid wood, which are heavy and strong. Others are hollow core, which are lighter and less expensive. There are also panel doors, flush doors, sliding doors, wooden doors, and folding doors. Each type has its own use depending on the style of the home and the budget of the owner. Including wooden doors are not just a functional part of a house but also a symbol of beauty, strength, and traditional. They give homes a warm and rich look while providing safety and comfort. With proper care and maintenance, a wooden door can last for decades and remain as elegant as ever. That is why wooden doors continue to be a favorite choice all over the world. So guys, if you thinking about a wooden door, then please you choose wooden door for your house. Wooden doors are available on online and offline, both are places, so you can buy this wooden door online or offline very easy way. But before purchasing wooden door, please check this material quality and beautifulity. So guys, I hope you like my all the information, and I hope you like my all the wooden door designs idea. If you like this wooden door designs idea, then please like this video, and guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.